First time my service dog and I are visiting the Mascot Hall of Fame in Whiting, Indiana. Right now I'm currently showing some photos of the atrium of the Mascot Hall of Fame, which shows all the heads of the mascots and everything, and different photos of from television screens and whatnot, different mascots. Anyway, let's get started. Yo.
Have you ever seen the glass elevators?
Yes.
Yeah, they're cool.
Yo. Freaking cool.
So él es el equipo.
Yo. Hey, baby.
I'm so glad you guys were able to come.
I know. I wanted to do this. Yeah.
Who's he from? Where's he from? Ohio? Buckeye. Beauty, Bluebird, or not Bluebird?
Ford.
¿Cuál es tu favorito?
Good boy.
Toro, el león, tigre.
Want a treat? Are we gonna go boy? Yeah? Good boy.
Oh, es un cacahuate. Es una cabeza de cacahuate.
Era.
Yeah. De 1965.
No, ahorita ya quiere bajar para arriba.
Yeah. Fun fact, only MLB mascot to work a game in Iowa. Biggest flex, once ate 20 tacos in 15 minutes.
Oh my god.
Weight, Southpaw weighs 621 baseballs.
More like, or pounds.
Yes. Southpaw is the pop.
He likes to toss the pop, the giant pop.
Videos of it.
Yeah, there's plenty of videos on YouTube and social media.
Benjamin Tebow was the first mascot to roam the sidelines of an NBA game. Since then, Benny has backflipped, moonwalked, and slam dunked his way to superstardom. Off the court, Benny makes hundreds of appearances throughout Chicagoland in his van, Benny's Bull Ride. That's so fun.
Yeah.
I saw a Chicago Blackhawks van recently. You're not gonna believe where I saw it.
What?
At the Sam's Club in Addison. It was just parked outside.
Oh wow.
I don't know who was driving it, but it was just there.
Oh, that's cool. Yo.
Ooh, beer plus. That's most coffee.
Baby. Gilsey. Good boy, yes. Oh, it's a wall. Sure.
It's the elastic.
Plastic. That one was microfiber.
Fleece.
Bunch of yarn. I like the soft ones.
Soft ones, yeah.
Yeah,
Ooh, it must be hot to be in though. There's the
I'm sure.
yarn. Do you remember what?
Yeah, these I like the yarn and feathers.
Feathers. The yarn I think was used for some of the tails, right?
I think so. Yeah.
Oh, that one's cool.
Velvet. Yeah, I've seen that I've met that mascot before.
I didn't see the mascot before. Here we go, Crosstown Classic. Socks and dogs. I think they have them here at the Mascot Hall of Fame. Touch this one. Grab his tail.
Yeah, it's not a real person in there.
Newton the Dragon.
Never heard of this one
Me neither.
until now.
America's smartest dragon.
Yosuke.
Check out his belly. Oh, he's got streamers.
Okay, yeah. Rocky, I know where he goes. This one, maybe.
I think, oh, there we go. All right. Net one.
What can you tell us about Events and Adventures? Events and Adventures is an